me turn my brightness up. Guys, there is lightning in the area right now. Sorry about the siren video. It failed. So no siren. Ooh. You guys see that? Damn. Let's go to the perfect spot here so we can show the lightning better. I'm cold, sorry. This is crazy. I heard the thunder and I was like, what is going on? Because I was playing Roblox. I heard thunder and I was like, what is going on? There's a storm coming. I swear to God, if this is severe and there's gonna be a tornado warning, I'm gonna be like having my thing. Hold on. No, bro. That's crazy. Just look at this. Wow. Let me get back a little low so I can show you. Did you guys see that over there? Wow. Storm is rolling in. I feel like it's gonna start raining soon. I don't know when. I caught that. Trying to get away from the trees as possible, so I'm mainly gonna be like right by the quad light here. Closest one is right there, so I'm not too worried about it. Look at this. You have cold fronts moving in, so I feel like we have another cold front moving through. And that's what this pop-up storm is gonna do. And we have rain on Wednesday, too. Just look at this. Holy crap. Now just listen, I'm gonna say something here soon, and then the next thing you know, I'm saying, oh, siren's going off. Nope. Wow, this is some cool lightning shots, though. Like, damn. There was pop-up thunderstorm coming in. Holy crap. It's all in front of me right now. What it looks like. So, I don't know if the rain's coming in soon, but I could tell. Look at that. Damn. Holy crap, guys. You can hear a little bit of thunder. Wow. You guys hear that? That's the thunder. It's coming. Yeah, we have a storm coming, everyone. Alright, we have a storm moving in to Salina, Kansas. It's just gonna pass by us. It's not... I think we might get a little bit of rain, too. But... yeah. We have a storm moving in. Look at this. Sorry, there's cars are going by too, but I'm not worried about them. I'm looking at the weather here. Wow. There's lightning everywhere. Lightning is going nuts. This might be severe, everyone. This might be severe. We are going to listen for any tornado sirens, because this might be a tornado warned storm, it looks like. We don't know yet. Just all I can tell is the lightning's going crazy right now. Oh my god. You can hear the thunder too. Oh my god. I do not want to miss this. I wanted to film it, bro. Wow. There's lightning everywhere right now. In Salina. Damn. Remember when I used to film right here for the train? When 1172 went by? Man, I miss it. You can hear the thunder. And tomorrow we're going down to Crawford, and we'll be ending over here on Prescott with 1402 and 1461. Just to tell you guys. Prescott's crossing's gonna be something tomorrow, but that's gonna be something. But, when we are gonna change our date when we're gonna do, Republic. Because we're not going down there for a couple of days, because, as you guys can tell, I tried to do the siren again. But look at this. This might be a severe storm. Whoo! I caught that. Lightning's going nuts. You guys should have seen on frickin' last year on April 1st. Dude, that thing was, my god. Lightning was nuts. You guys saw that. Wow. But yeah, lightning was nuts on April 1st, 2025. Our sirens even went off. Because we were under a tornado warning. Sorry I didn't film that one. But I was planning on it, but it didn't come until like 9 or 10. The sirens didn't go off until like 9 o'clock, so it came about 8 o'clock, but it set the sirens off after a while. This one might do the same thing before it starts raining. So, if this one's severe, this one might set the siren off. I doubt it, though. Because, if you guys can tell, we did not have a siren test today. Sirens were just being stupid. And they didn't go off, if you guys didn't hear them. I did not hear them. So, yeah. We'll still have train day tomorrow. Even though it might rain on us, it's completely fine. Ooh. You guys saw that? Let me get up to the quad light here. Damn. Yeah, this might be severe. Roll out a severe thunderstorm warning for Salina, please. Roll out a severe thunderstorm warning for Salina, please. Oh, I thought that was the frickin' tornado sirens. I was about to say, yep, time to go inside. Bro, I frickin' thought those were the sirens for a second. I was about to say, go inside. Yeah. Oh my god, that scared the living crap out of me for a second there. Bro thought the sirens were going off, and no, it was the, thing over there. Wow. I knew something was going on because my leg was hurting and I didn't know what was going to be going on. But we have a random storm. It smells like rain now. It might start raining here. It might start raining here soon. The lightning is going nuts. If you guys can tell. Like, oh my god. The lightning's freaking going nuts. Yeah, at first, when I heard over there, I thought the sirens were going to start going off. That would have been like... Jesus Christ. But look at this. This is crazy. Oh my god. Take first alert. Set out a severe thunderstorm warning because this sounds severe. Or it looks severe because how much lightning is going on. My god. Is this why the siren didn't go off? Jesus Christ. I'm happy. I'm happy. There's just lightning everywhere and I'm trying to catch it. Sorry about that though. I'm just trying to catch all the lightning strikes right now. Listen to the thunder. It's going crazy. Oh my god. I might send some of this on Snapchat too. So, here soon I'm gonna end it and go to Snapchat. Oh my god. You can even see the rain parts. Because I know there's rain coming in. Just look. When the lightning strikes over here. You can see the... See? You can see the rain particles. Just goddamn. You could hear that. If we have to go downstairs, I'm not really surprised. Well, like, comment, and subscribe, everyone.